Good morning, everyone. So I just dropped the kids off at school. I didn't even have time to get ready or put my makeup on, so let's go do that right now. That's better. I'm gonna show you some tips, what we do. We have a couple weeks until we move, but it's going to be very busy until then. Come along with us and see how we pack quickly, efficiently, and how we plan for the future of unloading. Let's go. All right, let me show you a couple of things before I start doing some more packing. So this doesn't go here. I don't know where that's gonna go. Okay, so I know when we move, this is gonna stay in the box until I find a place to store it because it's not gonna go on the counter. So because I already know that, I'm just gonna put this in here so I don't have to unpack it when we get there. So we have candles in here. These are chips for moving day to feed anybody that helps us, along with, some other lunch stuff. This I just haven't closed up because I keep putting some stuff in here from the kids' school. So what we're gonna do is we've emptied all these cubes out. We're gonna move all of them around so we can start putting boxes actually in that corner, because we're going to load big furniture first into the moving truck. So we're gonna pull all this furniture this way and start putting boxes stacked up here, and also probably in the kids' room and the studio, so that we can put big furniture out more over here, so that can go first into the truck. Because if you do it that way, everything else can fit in around the big furniture. And that's how you want to load a truck. That's what Brandon would tell you. So we'll do that today when Brandon gets back from his appointments. I'm going to do maybe a little food prep, and I got to empty this shelf up here. You can see. Take all that stuff down because we're going to take everything off the walls and patch all the holes. We have a ton of holes. So this big sign has to go down, but I'll show you what I'm doing is, you can see all these tiny little blue painter's tape is where every hole is. I put a piece of tape. So I know just by looking far away at a wall where all the holes are, because that will save a lot of time. We can just go around with the spackle and fill all the holes. So we're gonna do that today. Let's go. Tonight is a packing night. I'm gonna eat a little bit. I have a friend coming to help me, but this place is a disaster and I don't know what to do. What are you doing, children? What are you doing?
I'm hungry.
You want some dinner? No, it's dinner time. All right, I'll let you know when we start packing how it's going. All right, guys. Ooh, reinforcements came in. We have. You like Liz or Liz? She came in. We're gonna pack up the kitchen. After much discussion, we decided that
I need to go pack.
we're gonna leave only a couple things, like a pot, a pan, so that I can still cook a little bit of something. And then we're gonna pack everything else up. Because the last week we're just gonna go for convenience stuff. Oh, Bria! Hi. Wanna say hi?
So everything's crazy. Benjamin, say hi, Benjamin.
Hi.
Okay, hi.
So I'm gonna do the silverware last in that drawer, but also in that drawer are big utensils, right? Or like random objects. Maybe we can put it in there.
So,
Can I curl in a ball now?
you got some floor bubbles, huh?
Ta-da! Unpacking is so much easier for me.
think unpacking is easier for everybody.
Is it? Hey guys, so today is a different day and it's morning time and I just dropped the kids off at school and I have off today and tomorrow. Tomorrow is when our lease is actually supposed to start. We walk through today and just go over the place with our realtor and the listing agent. So I have a lot to do today because I want to go in tomorrow and start cleaning the new place and bring over some preliminary stuff that I can put away in cabinets, like the closet stuff and maybe some bathroom stuff and maybe kitchen stuff. I don't know, we'll see how much time I have, but I'm excited because I'm getting stuff out of my house that is not going to be moved with us. So things that belong to other people. There was a huge swing here that we just gave back to the person who let us borrow it. Thank you, by the way. And so I got that. I got some canned goods that we gave to the school for a charity drive. So I got a big bag of that out. And now I I'm gonna do some stuff around the house until I go to the chiropractor. Then I'm gonna pick up a little bit of groceries from the Walmart grocery pickup, mainly stuff for Brielle and some snacks for Benjamin. And then I'm gonna be, I think, trying to pack up some of the garage, which is a big undertaking. Brandon has to go through a lot of it because it's wood stuff and we're not keeping all of it because we don't have room to store it, but it's gonna be a busy day of packing mostly. I did get some more boxes from work. So I am gonna try to pack up some more stuff and look at our stack, you guys. So from the ceiling down to the floor. And that's mostly, I think, mostly some decor and kitchen stuff, I think. But it's coming along. I know eventually everything will get moved and I just need to not stress about it because everything's got to go. And, you know, I'm thankful that we have actually a week, basically, before we move in the new place, so we can take stuff if we want. But I work 40 hours in 4 days that week, and, you know, Brandon's working full-time still, so probably not gonna have a lot of time because once I get home, it's, you know, dinner and bath and bedtime routine for the kids, and then they're in bed, and then I'm exhausted, so, you know, I probably won't do a lot on those days. So we're trying to get as much done today, tomorrow, and Sunday. And Brandon has the kids on Saturday while I work. So it's gonna be busy, but it's good. And I'm really excited to like organize the new place. So I wanna do some before and afters for you guys. And then, oh my gosh, we have, I'll show you a whole schedule of things that we're gonna do every day. I don't know if you can see this, but every day is something different. So we have to take down, take apart the beds. Everything needs to be down off the walls by one day, paint the other day. We have some out of town friends coming actually on Sunday, which we're excited about, and they also eat keto. So that will be really nice because we're gonna make some stuff and that'll be a good like break from packing, but they said they would help us, so we'll see how much we have left to do by Sunday night. So as I pack, I will bring you guys along. Also, I've been packing up all of my stuff from here. So these are empty. Oh, that's full of a little bit of things. Just my makeup, which will go last minute. These are clothes I have to pack, but this is empty. Oh, no, it's not. It has bags. I lied. But I packed up all my makeup and my, where is it? Essential oil stuff. This is a trash bag, and this is a donate bag here. So, I'm getting some stuff. Closet stuff I think I'm going to bring over on Sunday. So yeah, I'm going to bring some closet stuff over on Sunday, but I feel like I'm getting a handle on stuff. Ooh, lighting. I'll probably bring over some bathroom stuff. All of this stuff we're going to probably keep in the same spot, so I can just like put it in a bag or a box and just bring it over like that, because it's gonna go same exact spot. So some of this stuff is not in the same spot. Like that dresser is gonna be now in the kids' room, and what is in the kids' room is gonna be in our room. So this one is going in our room, probably minus the changing pad, but it's just a lot. I mean, anyone who's moved, you know that it's just a lot. And I'm like, every time I have to pack a box, I'm like, do I really need this? Can I throw it out? I don't want to move it. Every box that I don't have to move or have someone else move for me is a win. I'm gonna show you my progress. It doesn't really look like much, but it is. Okay, it is. Alright, now here is the garage. Okay, but all of these are now empty. Well, there's just some moving sheets and rags. All this is empty, which was all painting stuff. This is all empty. That was here when we came. It's like tile or something. This is all paint that we're gonna leave what is theirs and take ours. Okay, and I organized this a little bit. And all of this that was on here, junk, is basically now in here. It's all like small parts and screws and who knows what else Brandon has in there. I need to like dust blow this off so I can close it up. Brandon's gonna go through this, but really, it's coming along. A lot of this Brandon has to do, which is fine by me. And so we've got hurricane stuff in there, paint stuff in here. This one's empty, and I'll probably do like wood in there or something, or paint, because it rolls. And it's coming along. It's a gloomy day. Oh, I need to pack up the laundry room. This is our current laundry room, which I really love because it has a big washer. Our new one is not this big. That big. I'm about to start filming for our next vlog, so if you don't want to miss it, hit subscribe over here. And if you want to check out any previous videos, click over here. Don't forget to follow us on social media, on Instagram at OurFamilyBeSocial, and check out our website, which is OurFamilyBee.com. I look forward to seeing you guys again. Until next time, don't forget, life is better together.